Dual fuzzy Sugeno method to enhance power quality performance using a single-phase dual UPQC dual PV without DC link capacitor.
Abstract.
In this project we aimed at accurately reflects the innovative approach of integrating fuzzy logic control with dual UPQC systems and PV sources, eliminating the need for a DC link capacitor to enhance power quality. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references.
Results.
The block diagram of the dual UPQC to PV system illustrates a configuration designed to enhance power quality in a single-phase 220 volts and 50 Hz distribution system by integrating to unified power quality conditioner units supplied by dual photovoltaic arrays, referred to as to UPQC to PV. This system eliminates the need for a DC link capacitor by directly utilizing DC power from the PV arrays, optimized through maximum power point tracking controllers. It features series inverters for voltage compensation and shunt inverters for current compensation, managed by advanced dual fuzzy Sugeno controllers. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.